Alexa, play To Be a Master.
Here's To Be a Master by Pokemon on Amazon Music.
Why, hello there, Pokemon Masters! Tonight we're gonna draw King Deedeedee! One of the main characters for the Kirby video games.
Pokemon Master.
King Deedeedee is one of the rulers for the village that Kirby is from. And to defend himself, he wears this, he brings his hammer that defends himself. I've seen King Deedeedee 1,000 times in the past, especially in the movies. You think that Kirby should have his own movie? Let's hope it has King Deedeedee in it. Here's his Mega Mallet.
Got my badges and my Pokeball. Got my buddy Pikachu to help me try to catch 'em all. Yo, it's all about the evolution of the Pokemon. The training, attaining, and being part of the phenomenon. Be a Pokemaster icon. Team Rocket will be long gone. But first you gotta know about the different types. Grass, fire, ground, flame, electric, water, rock, flying, ice. No more what ghost fighting and dragon. Don't forget about psychic. To be a master, Pokemon master. I will be writing a brand new chapter, a brand new to be a master, Pokemon master. And I will be striving to be the greatest master. Pokemon go, go. All the children sing. Like I said before, it's all about the evolution of the Pokemon.
Somewhat impressive. Now you've reached
And
the plateau, but
finished.
yet a hero.
That is how you draw King Deedeedee.
Defeat the elite
Oh yeah, one more thing. I have to draw the pom-pom on his hat.
against
His
your
winter hat.
rival.
And finished. That's how you draw King Deedeedee. That's all for now.
Catch 'em all.
Stegosaurus, see you later.
Show me what
And good
you
night.
got.
Pokemon go.